Who broke my favorite vase? I cleaned this kitchen this morning. Now look at this terrible mess.
Mom? I think maybe the cat from outside came near the window again.
I did not touch anything.
Oh, wow. This house feels very quiet today. Did something bad happen here?
Jack, this is not the time for jokes. Somebody broke the vase and nobody is telling the truth.
This is really bad.
Maybe we should investigate like detectives. We can find clues about the vase.
Good idea.
I saw Lily near the kitchen earlier, but maybe something else happened. This is becoming a real mystery adventure. Mom looked more sad than angry. That vase must be important to her. Maybe Dad knows something. Parents always know secret things. Let's go find Dad before school starts.
Good morning, boys. Why do you both look so worried?
Dad, Mom is angry because her favorite vase broke. Do you know why it is special?
That vase was a gift from your grandmother many years ago.
Oh, now I understand. We must fix this problem quickly. Maybe we can buy a new vase before Mom notices.
A new vase cannot replace memories, boys.
Tom, Jack, class is starting. Why are you whispering like secret agents?
We have a family emergency.
Then focus carefully today and do not create more.
Today we will talk about honesty and responsibility.
That lesson feels too personal today. Maybe this is a sign from the universe.
Tom, Mom called Dad again. She still sounds angry.
Did you see who broke the vase?
I saw something move near the table, but I do not remember clearly.
What if it was not Lily? What if somebody else entered the house? But who? We were all home this morning. Wait. Your sock? Oh no! I kicked the ball inside before breakfast. Maybe the ball hit the vase. If that is true, Mom will be extremely disappointed in me. You must tell the truth. Hiding mistakes always makes things worse. I know, but I am scared. Real bravery means telling the truth.
Looking for something special today, boys?
We need a beautiful vase for my mom. Something simple but meaningful.
And maybe not too expensive.
This one looks peaceful, just like Mom.
A gift becomes special when it comes with honesty.
I think the vase broke because of me. I kicked my soccer ball inside the kitchen. I was scared to tell the truth earlier.
Wait! I remember now. The ball rolled off the chair and hit the vase after Tom left the room.
The mystery is solved!
Mistakes happen in every family. Honesty is what matters most.
I am really sorry, Mom.
This vase is beautiful, but I am happier because you told the truth.
Please do not be angry anymore today.
Maybe soccer should stay outside forever.
Yes! Especially Tom's dangerous soccer skills. This vase already has an interesting story.
The best family memories are sometimes messy.
Today started badly, but it ended happily.
Because we worked together. And because I remembered the flying soccer